Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make some garlic bread, which can be a side to any dish. So cut some fresh parsley and about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. You need a very sharp knife for this so you can get your pieces very small. Just keep on going in with the knife to get your pieces as tiny as you can. Another tip is that you can either use a very small hole grater to get your garlic very small if you're not so good with the knife. So in a bowl, add your chopped parsley and garlic, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once you mix it all together, it should look something like this. So I buy these par baked baguette rolls from Tesco. They're not fully baked, which makes it perfect for when you're making this garlic bread. So I've sliced the garlic bread diagonally. I'm going to be placing the garlic butter inside of these slots, as you can see. So the garlic butter is inside. You apply a generous amount because remember this is going to be baked with the bread when you put it into the oven. So on the instructions of the package it says you must stamp the bread before you put it into the oven. So I just got a brush here with some water and just placing it all over the bread on the front and on the back as well. Just read the packaging of the bread you buy to see what the directions are. So never waste, never waste. So I've got some spare garlic butter left. Just put it in a container into my freezer. I can use that for another time. So I've taken it out of the oven now. Look at this, it looks so beautiful and it smells so good. And you just plate this up onto whatever you're eating and that's it, so easy. Thank you so much for watching. If this is something that you're going to do, please like and comment and please subscribe as well for some more tasty, easy cooking.